Viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Sherwood School Tura top in Embu's SSLC and Adventist Higher Secondary School, Thatla second in HSSLC Arts results. Amprin Lingdor visits VPP Chief Arden Basaimoy to request him to withdraw the indefinite strike. Government should constitute an independent commission to examine the reservation policy, says CEM Titos Starwell Khan. And KHADC Executive Committee called on 50 headmen from different localities of Shillong to enact stricter laws. And now for the news in detail. The Meghalaya Board of School Education on Friday declared this year's secondary school leaving certificate and higher secondary school leaving certificate arts result. The total pass percentage in the SSLC examination is 51.93%, while the total pass percentage in the HSSLC arts results is 80.3%. The first rank holder of the top 20 merit of SSLC examination is Samridhya Das of Sherwood School Tura, who secured 572 marks out of 600. The second rank holder is Jyoti Priya Bhattacharjee of St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, who secured 570 marks, while the third rank holder is Tanushri Acharjee of St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, who secured 564 marks. In the HSSLC arts results, Larissa Lamin of Adventist Higher Secondary School, Thatla Sken secured the first rank holder in the top 10 merit list and secured 450 out of 500 marks. Evelyn Kriam of St. Edmund's Higher Secondary School secured the second rank holder with 449 marks, while Dana Meshi Shahinyota of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School secured third rank holder with 446 marks.
How intelligent we may be, unless God bless the studies and the examination, nothing could be done. Other years we do have good students, but then we didn't get as much good results with the second, third and 11th rank in the state. And we have many letter marks and highest marks in different subjects. Secondly, I want to thank our teachers who have really worked hard, taking extra classes, extra tests for students, having late classes in December and in January. And I would say they are very sincere in their work and they have great love for the students.
Cabinet Minister Amprin Lingdor on Friday visited VPP Chief Arden Basaimoy to request him to withdraw the indefinite strike that he has undertaken since May 23rd. While speaking to reporters, Lingdor said that she has come to meet the VPP president as a concerned citizen and to request to withdraw his agitation. Stating that this is not good for the state, she further said that they will need to talk because without it, how will they come to an understanding? Meanwhile, the VPP President Arden Basaimoy on Friday said that the party is ready for a talk if the state government agrees to discuss and review the reservation policy.
Reservation is how you don't understand what is reservation.
Firstly, I'm concerned about Arden's well-being, and therefore I am very tempted to go and see him and to find out how he's doing, because this is the third day that he is in a strike, which very unfortunately has happened.
Ni lara ni dengan mat assembly ni dah submit dah jingtho parti kalau ai dah jingtho sudah sokar parti kalau yo dah jingtho kan sementara ada all party meeting dah penpau itu kamla kan bansuan bantot dah pi nami nak kata gaji parti sange no ia kali gaji sahat.
KHADC CM and UDP leader Titos Starwell Khan said the government should constitute an independent commission comprising of experts to examine the reservation policy. Talking to reporters, Khan said that constitutionally, the policy is to be reviewed every 10 years. He also said that the reservation policy and roster system are interlinked and so it cannot be discussed individually. He also urged the political parties, political leaders and pressure groups to be united since it is an issue that concerns the entire community.
ban syukurno ya kita kinong yalam ngam sudehi leban ong ba kata resolution si ka biang lepu ngam la ban ong nomor ba baru kita kisnan kela pentrikam ya ka kat kum kata ka spirit jongka resolution si ka bala le kita ki long shwa tende bini ban kenmau patwe kalong ba constitutionally by a resolution policy they will review every 10 years.
Minister in charge of Education Rakam A. Sangma on Thursday claimed that the Supreme Court may strike down the Joy Reservation, which the state of Meghalaya is having the joy of implementing almost 80% of the tribals of the state. Speaking to media person, Sangma urged Nongkrem MLA and President of the Voice of the People's Party, Arden Basaimoy, to put an end to his ongoing indefinite hunger strike, expressing concern. Sangma warned, "We are playing with fire and it will burn everybody, including the VPP. It will destroy the future of our youth." Sangma said that the state is currently at the mercy of the Supreme Court, and he cited that 1992 judgment in the Indira Sawhney case that reservations should not exceed 50%.
My prince, my elder brother, Ba'adan Basamut, the president of BPP, is a senior leader. He's like my brother. He's an educated man. He should know the consequence of all this. If anything happen, I think I'm saying today as educators of the state, because I think with this kind of politics and the drama, I think we are like playing with the fire. This fire will burn everybody, including the BPP, because this drama, this politics will destroy the future of our students.
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Executive Committee, led by Chief Executive Member Titos Starwell Khan, on Thursday called on 50 headmen from different localities of Shillong to enact stricter laws concerning the influx of migrants into the city. After careful deliberation with the headman, Khan stated that he is overjoyed to see the localities have begun keeping track of and registering their tenants. He added that they have decided to issue a district council notification under the name Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Maintenance of Household Register. Additionally, he stated that temporary residents, both local and non-local, must register themselves, and those non-locals who wish to rent a house must first obtain permission from the Dorbar Shnong.
Kani kecingnya lang ni kot kepang tangi di lambak senang di badan soselo. Kedau kolong ba ya kecing sedang jom kecing wan jom kipriu ki bana ba. Banwan ban buhai senang banwan vi pengen hapok ini kira. Sor kejongi kamtam kum play I kecing ja po badan ting. Haka ba bedan ini ki tribal lantai po Manipur. Yang kecing jam put pastam banwan pansyong po ngadan ting badmentane se kila agri sikiwe patisno.
Cleariyat today organized a district-level Yuva Utsav 2023 India at 2047 with a theme Punch Run of Amrit Kal that matches with the 75 years Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The event was held at Jaintia Eastern College, Cleariyat, which included different activities participated from different youth organizations of East Jaintia Hills district. The Yuva Utsav was inaugurated by Shillong MP Vincent H. Bala as the chief guest, along with Minister Excise Kermen Shilla as the guest of honor in the presence of other dignitaries. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 14.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 90% and in the evening 83%. Forecast light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Sherwood School, Tura, top in Embos SSLC and Adventist Higher Secondary School, Thatlasken in HSSLC Arts results. Ampreen Lingdor visits VPP Chief Arden Miliam Basaimoit to request him to withdraw the indefinite strike. Government should constitute an independent commission to examine the reservation policy, says CM Tito Starwell Khan. And KHADC Executive Committee called on 50 headmen from different localities of Shillong to enact stricter laws. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.